Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to hide apps on Samsung phones. First, open your app drawer and tap the 3 vertical dots or gear icon to access settings. Look for the Hide Apps option within the Settings menu. Select the applications you want to hide from your home screen and app drawer. This method is quick and effective for basic privacy. Another robust way to hide apps is by utilizing Samsung's Secure folder. Go to your phone settings, then find Security and Privacy or Biometrics and Security. Set up your Secure folder with a strong password or biometric lock. You can then add copies of apps or move existing apps into this protected space, keeping them completely separate and secure. For more advanced customization, consider using a third-party launcher. Popular options like Nova Launcher or Microsoft Launcher offer extensive features. After downloading and setting one as your default, navigate to its specific settings. Most launchers provide an option to hide apps directly, giving you greater control over your app visibility and organization. Once apps are hidden, you might wonder how to access them again. If hidden via settings, you can usually find them by searching in the app drawer or revisiting the Hide Apps menu. For secure folder apps, simply unlock the folder. With third-party launchers, you'll typically find an unhide option within the launcher's settings to restore visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.